You all heard a lot about why storytelling. You know that stories impact, stories bond, stories connect, stories are amazing for your presentation, for persuasion, communication, and so on and so forth. Excellent. The question is, how do you implement it? What do you do to ensure that you're a better communicator? Come on, think about it. When people say that, oh my god, storytelling is so amazing, and you google around and you're like, oh, there is so much of ways of storytelling. You see the heroic's journey and all that, and I mean, you just wonder that how am I going to do it? And that's the problem, because everybody talks about storytelling, the ways that you can tell your story. Question is, let's take a step back. The question is, do you even know you have a story? Because you do. The problem is that you do not know that you have a story. So that's exactly where I come into picture. Because I will not only let you identify your stories, I will help you to also gather them and present it. So next time, when you know that this is a storytelling moment, when you know that you're with the right audience, you're with your friends and you're with your office colleagues and having a very lovely lunch or dinner, and you're gonna impact them, bang, you have a story there. You don't have to think about storytelling at that time. It will be natural. So what's the next step? Click on the link and